Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for WhatsApp. Now, if you see update button here, you have to click that one. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is updating. Once done, open or launch your WhatsApp application. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to click this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you have to search for the specific conversation or create a new community. So click this plus icon and then tap new community. Click get started and you can now add your community name. So for example, I'm going to name this as Andy Shop. It's now creating community. You can add group or you can click announcement so that you can start your Meta AI. So here you just have to simply open the chat or community and then type at Meta AI and send a message like hi or ask a question to start interacting. You can use it for answering questions, making suggestions, setting reminders, and more. But for now, it's not yet available in my country, so I have to wait for that. So, in case that it's not yet available in your country, you can know more about Meta AI. So, you need to exit your WhatsApp and open a browser, for example, Google web browser, and then search for countries or region that Meta AI is available. If Meta AI isn't available yet in your region, you may need to wait for the feature to be rolled out to more users globally. But if you want to use this Meta AI, just follow this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.